to look ahead at any volatile economy like Africa's or Asia's or India's, one can say, okay, the three ways are one step forward, two steps back. Okay. Now I think that's completely irrelevant for Africa. Okay, that makes no sense given all the things that I talked about. Another story could be one step forward, one step back. So therefore, you're pretty much treading water. That could happen given the risks, but I put the probability of that as still well below 20%. I think the most likely, at least that's where I think would be worth betting the money on, would be a story of two steps forward, one step back, meaning that it would not be a straight journey, if for no other reason than that economic development in emerging economies takes place through these cycles of series of S curves. And there is always the risk of complacence politically, bureaucratically, and so on. So in short, Africa is a continent whose time has come. And I hope that everybody, there's no need to say at this room, but everybody, the 7 billion people in the world believes that, but there probably are some who may not. And all I would say is that, for some who do not, it's their loss, because ultimately the higher returns on investment, as all of you would agree, especially the bankers and the business people in the room, that the higher returns on investment accrue to those who actually see what others don't. So with that, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gupta. I did say that we would be enthralled and entertained, and you certainly didn't disappoint us. I'm very pleased that your favorite company, or South African Breweries, is also one of your favorite companies. If you had taken the vow of poverty that us journalists are all required to take, you would have gone that step further and acknowledged that beer is proof that God loves us and wants us to be happy. I'm very happy to announce that main course will now be served, and I would urge you yet again to follow us on hashtag #OMWisdomForum, and our handle is @Old Mutual SA. Bon appétit.